How and why do brokers offer leverage in Forex? Leverage in Forex trading is a powerful tool that allows traders to control larger positions than their initial investment would otherwise permit. Brokers offer leverage to attract clients and increase trading activity on their platforms. When trading with leverage, you only need to deposit a portion of the total value of the trade, known as the margin. The broker provides the remaining funds. For example, if you have a $1,000 account and want to trade a standard lot of your USD worth $100,000, you might need to deposit a margin of 1% or $1,000. The broker will then provide the remaining $99,000. With leverage, your profits and losses are amplified. If the trade moves in your favor, your profits will be multiplied by the leverage factor. However, if the trade moves against you, your losses will also be amplified. Brokers offer leverage for several reasons. First, it can be a powerful marketing tool to attract clients who are looking to maximize their potential profits. Second, leverage can encourage traders to take larger positions, which can increase trading volume on the broker's platform. This can lead to higher revenue for the broker through commissions and spreads. Finally, many traders prefer to use leverage to increase their exposure to the market and potentially earn higher returns. While leverage can be a powerful tool, it also comes with significant risks. If a trade moves against you, your losses can be amplified, potentially leading to substantial financial losses. It's essential to use leverage cautiously and understand the risks involved. To use leverage wisely, it's important to consider your risk tolerance and have a solid trading strategy. Only use leverage if you understand the risks and are confident in your ability to manage them. Always set stop-loss orders to limit your potential losses. In conclusion, leverage can be a valuable tool for Forex traders, but it should be used with caution. By understanding how leverage works and the associated risks, you can make informed decisions about whether to use it in your trading.